Hey, what's up everybody? This is DJ One Duke. I'm going to show you a quick little trick using a GoPro 7 Black tied into Touchpix using a 12.9 second gen iPad Pro. Pretending this is a kiosk for a sharing station. I just have it hung right now on a little DJ station. This is how it's going to work. The camera's already connected to the GoPro. If I go over to my settings, you'll see that the Wi-Fi connection is tied to the GoPro, but you see an Ethernet connection right below that. This is a little pro tip that I want to share. Grab a hotspot. In my case, I use a Verizon wireless. It's a USB-C in and out. Purchase a hub off of Amazon. The hub is a USB-C to Ethernet. Buy an Ethernet cable. On the iPad end, I have a Lightning to Cat 5 adapter. If you're using a newer iPad, you might want to buy a USB-C to Cat 5. You merge the connection, and what that does, it actually lets me have internet access for sharing, right, alongside the GoPro connection working independently. So I'm going to pull up Touchpix here. This is one of their emergency buttons for the control module that's going to be for sale for any 12-volt spinner. It'll synchronize the record time and it'll automatically turn it off once the recording of the session is over. Let me do a quick little demo here. I'm going to hit slow-mo. You're going to hear the GoPro kick on. It's going to record. I'm going to wave my hand around above the camera. And you'll see the recording time. It stopped. It's going to process the file. Now the GoPro 7 Black transmits the information to the iPad in this case through Wi-Fi connection. But remember, it still has an active Ethernet connection that's being extracted from the mobile hotspot. So this is what the outcome of this is going to look like. It's processing the file. Just takes a few more seconds. And you're going to see the final product. I'm also going to show you guys how it looks with the Apple TV. I have my TV on there that actually... So deep in my feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. You'll see it has that hyper effect. There it is. So that's a pretty cool output. I can't wait to try it on my spinner. You're able to actually, if you go back into the gallery and I select that specific still loading the QR, you're able to do SMS text that will get sent out because of the internet connection. You'll do email. It would also get sent out based on the internet connection. So right now what we're doing is we're just waiting on the QR code. It still takes a bit to generate that QR code, but essentially once you get that QR code up and going, everything works as it should. And that's how it's going to look like. You just pull up your camera app from any device. In this case, it's an Android. Select the link. It will now take you over to download the video content. This is just showing you the new update features released from Touchpix. Another cool thing that you can do is, because it's one device, what I'm able to do is I'm going to go over to screen mirroring. I'm going to see if I could tap into So as you can see, that's my Apple TV there. And it's gonna play the videos as a slideshow. You can still share here. So yeah, it's a pretty good method of sharing. I'm gonna stop it for now because it's both playing on my iPad and the TV. But you guys get a good sense of how it works. This button again, it's gonna trigger a bunch of stuff. And just wanted to share that release, that Touchpix release today, which is the 23rd of March 2021. Thank you guys. Join the user group, ask questions, shoot me a DM if you need. I'll try to sort you out if you're having any issues. Thanks.